Will this tiny elephant ever embroil the water?
In the wild, a first bath is critical.
For Raja, this moment is both daunting and essential.
His future depends on understanding his environment.
Deep within this sanctuary, a new life has begun.
Meet Raja, a 2-week-old Asian elephant calf,
and his magnificent mother, Indira. Today marks a monumental day for the pair.
Raja will experience his very first bath. A critical milestone for any young elephant. It's more than just hygiene. It's about adaptation.
The team has meticulously prepared this safe, shallow watering hole.
Indira, ever the patient guide, encourages Raja forward. Each step for Raja is an exploration. A world of new sensations awaits. The first touch. A moment of truth. Cool, refreshing, and utterly new. A little shock, perhaps?
Indira shows him there's nothing to fear.
A mother's gentle lesson, instinctual and profound. Raja studies his mother, absorbing her wisdom.
Another small victory, a step towards courage. Feeling the cool embrace of the natural world.
Here, in the golden hour, fear slowly gives way to curiosity as the young calf discovers a helping hand.
These early interactions are vital for bonding and learning. Indira offers a reassuring nudge.
Fully immersed, if only for a moment.
The initial shock gives way to cautious curiosity.
Exploring the water with all his senses. A tiny explorer in a vast, watery world.
Indira's unwavering presence provides immense comfort. The water now feels less threatening, more inviting.
Testing the boundaries, discovering new movements.
The ground below feels different, soft, and yielding. An attempt at self-cleating, a new skill.
A refreshing surprise. A taste of independence.
Indira's gentle rumble resonates through the air.
A sound that strengthens their unbreakable bond. The first bath transforms from daunting to delightful. From trepidation to pure, unadulterated joy.
The initial hesitation of the baby elephant has vanished, replaced by pure, unadulterated joy.
Every splash is a triumph, a tiny celebration of overcoming a big, new experience. The mother elephant observes, her presence a silent reassurance.
Her calm demeanor is a testament to the safety of this precious first bath. Now, the baby elephant Raja explores deeper, intrigued by the water's embrace.
A gentle experiment, pushing boundaries, learning its new watery world.
Bubbles burst, a tiny testament to the baby elephant's growing confidence.
Says.
Dr. Sharma notes the significant behavioral shift. Raja is truly thriving here.
She documents every milestone, crucial for understanding early elephant development. The mother elephant, Indira, begins to bathe her calf, a natural maternal instinct. The baby elephant leans into the spray, reveling in its mother's care. Every drop cleanses, strengthening their bond with each gentle interaction. This shared moment is more than a bath. It is a lesson in trust.
Dr. Sharma marvels at this display. This is instinctual, beautiful to witness.
Buoyed by water, the baby elephant Raja attempts a playful role.
Joy radiates from the baby elephant, a truly heartwarming sight.
The bath is no longer a challenge, but an exciting new playground. The serene pond transformed into a vibrant, joyful play area.
Indira guides her calf, a gentle reminder that playtime must soon end.
The baby elephant Raja recognizes its mother's subtle communication.
Reluctantly, the baby elephant prepares to leave its newfound aquatic joy. A final shake, sending droplets shimmering in the afternoon sun.
Every movement helps dry its precious skin, preparing for the land once more.
Dr. Sharma records the successful conclusion of the first bath. Raja handled it wonderfully, a complete turnaround from his initial fear.
The mother elephant leads the way, guiding her calf from the water.
Gingerly, the baby elephant Raja navigates the transition to solid ground.
A fresh imprint, marking the end of its first successful aquatic adventure.
Bathed and refreshed, the baby elephant stands beside its protective mother.
A mother's touch, a comforting act of post-bath care.
The baby elephant Raja, skin is clean. Its journey of discovery continues.
Dr. Sharma reflects on the critical bond observed today.
This interaction confirms Raja's resilience. The bond is stronger now.
The world awaits, but not before a well-deserved dust bath.